It is the beginning of season 2 of Slow Eddie's Motorcycle Travel. It's January 21st. We just went over Hood. We're going to go camping. It's going to be like 25 degrees over at Lake Billy Chinook. And we're going to get some riding and some camping in. So should be a good time. Who's that following me? That's 300. That's my only bike now. My only bike. I just sold the 1090. I'm down from 6 bikes to 1 bike. The best bike for that matter. Just went to Safeway in Madras. Stocked up on supplies, i.e. beer and tube-shaped meats. The best kinds of food. And now we're gonna hit Billy Chinook. We're gonna go ride. Okay folks, we almost made it to Lake Billy Chinook. I'm gonna give you a closer look here. There she is in all of her glory. Some kind of mountain over there, who knows? Oh yeah, that's Mount Hood, dumb. Dumb, duh, if I could talk. But pretty freaking nice, huh? Very nice. Okay, we made it to our top secret location, the family cabin in Central Oregon. Yes. Big old freaking mountain. Yeah. It's a little frosty out here, but we just got the bike warmed up. We're gonna go hit the valley trail real quick, so I'll take you along with me and we'll go see if we can have some fun. Ah, what a day. This is what I'm talking about. All right, right down here, this is the valley trail. This should be fun. Got some hill climbs and fun stuff down here. All right. It's been so long since I've been on some dirt. I was jonesing bad. Ooh, got a big puddle. Should we break it? Yippee! I'm fogging up, can't see. It's brisk, baby. Yee! Oh yeah, boy. God, I love this trail, man. You know, I always thought I was a fair weather rider, but man, I definitely need to get going earlier in the season. Oh, this thing looks super tall. Oh my God. Let's go for it. No sweat on the Honda. Woohoo! Holy shit, man. Ouch. This thing's a little billy goat. Oh, there's some deer tracks coming up there. Yee! Intimidated to do anything on my big bike. I could do anything on this bike though. No sweat. The hill climb is coming up here pretty quick. A little rocky section. Wow. All right. Time for the fun stuff. Ladies and gentlefolk. Here's the hill climb. Little route. No big deal. Oh. In the right. In the right. Ooh, that's slick. Definitely need some better tires on this bad boy. Here's the big, oh, the big rocks. Whoa. Good thing I got a skid plate. Oh man, this is fun. Well, that's about it for the hill climb. That is the valley trail, man. Yeah. What time is it, Mom?
It's fishing time.
We're out here trying to go fishing with Tanner and Mom and Dad. Say hi. Hi. Say hi, Tanner. How many fish did we catch?
0.
Oh, we're now here at the Lake Billy Chinook, Three Rivers gun range, and Dad here is about to pop some caps into that bitch ass. Here we have the 6-hour Romeo something or other.
365 XL Romeo 0.
I don't even see the dot. Is the dot off?
Yeah, it's on.
Oh, it's on. Where the hell is it?
It's hard to see in the daylight.
I can't see it at all. Oh, there it is. Wow, you can barely see it.
Yeah. Oh, right in the middle, just about. Yeah, good shot. Now you're on it. Are you using the red dot?
Yeah.
On the top. Nice. Good shooting.
That's all she wrote.
Yep.
Are you back far enough?
Go ahead, it's slow-mo. Sketchy trail. Let's see what happens. Here we go. Oh, it starts over there. Well, I guess I'm just making my own trail here. Okay, now I see it. Whoa. Oh shit. Where does it go? Oh. This is a little sketchy. Whoa. I'm off the trail. Oh, it's tight. Oh, there it goes. Man, finding my own trail will be easier than doing this. Whoa. Whoops. Got her up. That sucks. Oh, going up is going to be even harder. I think I'm just going to find my own trail back. I'm not following that one. That was stupid. I'll follow this little game trail back up though. Killed it. I don't see where the path is now. I'm making a different path. Yeah. Oh! Yeah. 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 Whose idea was this? Can't get my foot down. I just want to do my own path on the way back. It didn't prove to be a good idea. Whoa. I got it, Dad. Don't worry about it. That's the easy one. Okay. Going. 1, 2, 3. Here. I gotta readjust. Well, that's a good hill. Whose idea was this?
I think it was yours.
Oh. You want to hold the brake for me? Yeah. I just don't want it to slide out. You got it?
Yeah. Whoa, 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 whoa. I gotta get up there. Okay.
Yeah, if you just want to stand there and just look pretty and hold it. Mm-hmm. I'm going to grab the back.
Oh, it's coming.
Okay, ready? 1, 2. Oh, fuck.
Yeah.
Okay. Huh?
You might go now.
Yeah, I'll give it a shot. This looks like no problem from here.
It looks like it, doesn't it?
Is that actually kind of clear where the things are?
Yeah. Yeah, if you just keep going, it's clear. There's some rocks sticking up that you'll see, but it's clear, major clear. At the top, they've got an opening in the rock. Good momentum.
Good morning, 300. She took some serious abuse yesterday. I guess I promised that she would, but definitely got some battle wounds. some scratches from the bitter brush. I dropped it probably 5 times yesterday doing dumb shit. And then the throttle ended up getting stuck on, so I had cruise control on the way back, which is pretty nice. So no handers. But I would get crash bars from Outback Motor Wreck, but they're out like 4 to 6 weeks, so we'll have to wait on that. So, but sorry for the beatdown. So why would I want to camp in 20-degree weather? Well, because I can go up into that cabin if it gets too damn cold. But I wanted to see if my sleeping bag would keep me warm enough. I have a 0-degree Teton bag, and the first night I just tried this out by itself, and it was, I don't know, like 28 degrees, and I was too cold. So it's good to know that if I'm going out on my motorcycle and I don't have a cabin to run to, that I need a better sleeping bag. So night 2, I took my Kelty Cosmic 20 and put it inside, or 19 rather, and put it inside of my 0-degree bag, and I was super toasty. In fact, I actually ended up sleeping with the fly off because I was so warm and I could stargaze in 20 degrees, so not so bad. So the thing is, I'm not going to take 2 sleeping bags on my motorcycle with me, so I need to get a much better sleeping bag. Dad likes to make coffee the hard way because it tastes better.
It tastes way better cooked on a wood stove.
How'd you make it?
I cut down the trees. I had to put this together off of the wagon train, being attacked by Native Americans on the Oregon Trail, getting here, put it together, built a cabin, and chopped some wood, let it dry, and then put the wood in the fire, lit it, and had to wait 14 days for this to percolate. And we now have percolation.
Yeah.
3 cups of coffee.
Coffee the hard way.
Coffee the hard way.
Some of Dad's 3-week U-ban here. After all that hard work, how's that coffee actually taste?
Oh, just look and see. Oh, that's so good. Brings a tear to my eye right there.
Is that the truth?
That is the truth.
Because you just said it was not good.
I don't know what you're talking about.
Mom is in here helping prepare for the day, getting everything ready that we need, as you can see. Must be nice, huh? You should hear what Dad went through just to make coffee, and here you are, all warm
Hey,
in
you
your
gotta
bed.
start the propane up, okay? Don't do this to me.
Out on the 300, some deer just popped out of the woods. Pretty sweet. And look what I have found. A bunch of deers. Check them out. Deer. 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 Goose. Well, that's a wrap, folks. First trip of the year. It was, you know, I didn't take my bike, you know, with all my stuff on it, but that's all good. You know, I just, first trip, need to knock the dust off, test the equipment, get back into the groove of things, you know, and I did that. So I'm ready for a full-on motorcycle camping trip. So need to get some on the books. We got Touratech in June, Giant Loop potentially in June, but that's a ways out. I'm comfortable camping now in sub-freezing temperatures, so that's cool. I just need to get a better sleeping bag. So hopefully we'll be able to get a trip in February. Maybe one trip a month. February, March, April, May. Yeah, if I could do that, I think we'll be sitting pretty. So we'll see you in February.